If you've ever needed to reduce an image megabyte size in Photoshop without ruining the quality, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and most efficient way to shrink your image down to kilobytes, remove hidden heavy metadata, and keep your image looking clean and professional. This is perfect for website uploads, email attachments, social media posts, and anywhere file size really matters. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and easy editing guides. Let's jump in. First, open your image in Photoshop. Once your file is loaded, look at the top menu bar and go to File, then Export, then click Export As. This is one of the best options when you want to control your file format and reduce the final image size without doing complicated edits. Now on the right-hand side, you'll see the format settings. The first thing you need to choose is the format. If your image is a photograph, JPG is usually the best choice. JPG gives you a great balance between image quality and file compression, and it includes a quality slider that can dramatically reduce file size. If your image needs transparency, then PNG is the better option. And if you want an even smaller file while still using PNG, you can check the smaller file, 8-bit box, which helps reduce the file size even more. Next, focus on the quality slider. This is where the real compression happens. If the quality is set to 100%, your file will usually stay much larger than it needs to be. But when you lower it to around 70 or 80%, you can often cut the file size in half or even more, while the image still looks nearly identical to the human eye. For most uses, that range gives you a really strong balance between clarity and compression. As you make these adjustments, keep an eye on the left side of the Export As window right under the image thumbnail. Photoshop gives you a real-time preview of the final file size, so you can actually watch the number change as you tweak the settings. This is super helpful because it lets you compare different export choices before you save anything. For example, you might see the file drop from 1.2 megabytes down to 350 kilobytes. And that's exactly how you know you're making the image much lighter. If the file is still too large, lower the quality a little more and check the preview again. If you're using PNG and you don't need full color depth, the 8-bit option can make a big difference too. The goal here is to find the smallest file size possible without making the image look blurry, pixelated, or overcompressed. Once you're happy with the preview and the file size, click Export. Then choose a file name, pick your save location, and hit Save. Photoshop will create the optimized version of your image, and now you'll have a much smaller file that's easier to upload, share, and store. So that's how to reduce image megabyte size in Photoshop quickly and safely. Use JPG for photos, PNG for transparent images, lower the quality slider carefully, and always watch the live file size preview before exporting. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.